Welcome to Date Night with Michelle and Doug. As we start off this new year, you and your significant other might have some goals to eat healthier. And guess what? You can actually do that at your next date night. So on the menu tonight, we have a honey balsamic pomegranate salmon, and that's going to be sweet and tangy. And we're gonna pair that with a lemon parsley garlic sweet potato and string beans. And we're gonna make all of that on one pan, because eating healthier shouldn't mean more work for you. So babe, what's actually good about this dish?
It sounds delicious. There's a lot of great health benefits about this dish. First off, we're using pomegranate seeds and we're using string beans. So they're both very high in vitamin C. We know that vitamin C is an antioxidant to help protect our cells against free radical damage. But vitamin C also helps with collagen formation, not only for a healthy and beautiful skin like we've been talking about in the past, but also to make sure we have strong, healthy gums and protect our teeth. Perfect. We're also using a Murasaki sweet potato, which is a Japanese sweet potato. So it's a sweet potato, but instead of being like orange inside, like the regular sweet potatoes that we know, it's gonna be white inside, but it's actually really sweet. It has kind of like a chestnut type of flavor, and it's gonna be really, really good. And they're high in iron. So we know that iron helps with your red blood cell formation, and what's actually good is that we have the green beans and the pomegranate seeds, which are high in vitamin C, because vitamin C helps absorb iron in your body. So all of this is gonna go very well together, not only nutritionally for your body and your system, but also flavor-wise. It's gonna be awesome, and we're so excited to start the new year right.
Let's do this. Let's get cooking. Come on.
Let's preheat our oven to 425 degrees.
All right, we have cubed our Murasaki sweet potatoes, and now we're gonna add some flavor. So first we're gonna add salt and pepper, and some fresh parsley, some minced garlic, and some lemon zest. And to make sure that it all sticks to the sweet potato, we're gonna add some olive oil. We'll drizzle that in there, and we'll just move everything around just to make sure it's all evenly coated. Once it's coated evenly, we're gonna take a baking sheet and we're gonna add our sweet potatoes to the baking sheet, pop that in the oven for 20 minutes.
While our potatoes are in the oven, let's prep our salmon. We have our salmon in the bowl, and we're gonna add salt and pepper. Adding in honey. Pomegranates, which might be new for you, but trust us, they'll taste good. And balsamic vinegar. We're gonna mix that all up, coat it all evenly. And move that to the side. In a separate bowl, get in your green beans and hit that with olive oil so that they can cook well in the oven. And we're taking our baking sheet with our potatoes. Careful if it's too hot. Move all your potatoes to the side. Get your green beans on one side. We're laying down our salmon fillets one at a time, right down the middle, and throwing that right back into the oven for 15 minutes. Our salmon, our green beans, our potatoes are all done. This looks beautiful.
So good.
My gosh. I am excited to eat. I'm gonna stop talking right now and we're gonna eat. Let's do this.
What are you going for?
I'm going straight for the salmon.
Okay, I'm going for the potato.
Always go meat first. This is flaky. It just breaks apart.
Wow. This sweet potato is so good. You can definitely taste the garlic, and the garlic is like all roasted with the parsley. And I definitely do taste the lemon zest also.
No?
And I taste that little like lemon flavor on the background of it. I definitely want to try some salmon with this.
Oh my gosh. As you try the salmon, it is so juicy.
I just tried this time.
I know, the pomegranate just pops in your mouth.
Oh my
The
gosh.
honey gives it a sweet flavor. Oh my goodness.
The balsamic vinegar and the pomegranate pair really well right now. Wow.
Oh, this is good.
This is a great date night. You definitely have to make this.
This is a great date night. This is an easy date night. This is put everything in a pan, put it in the oven, cook it, and this is healthy. This is so good. And we're gonna stop talking soon because we need to keep eating. This is so good. So we hope that this can pair well with your goals for this year as you seek to eat healthier. And we are Day Night with Michelle and Doug. You can follow us either on here on the channel, you can like this video, you can subscribe to us, you can follow us on social media. We are on Instagram, we're on Twitter. Check us out there. And if you make one of our dishes, post it up, tag us on the photo. We'd love to see when people are making our dishes. So we hope to see you next week, and we will be back in the kitchen for more. See you next week.
Bye.